Imagine being just 19 years old and writing an idea that would reshape finance, art, and even governance itself. That's exactly what Vitalik Buterin did when he proposed Ethereum in 2013. Today, we'll explore how a young coder went from writing forum posts to creating a multi-billion-dollar ecosystem, and what lessons every investor can take from his story. Vitalik was born in Russia, raised in Canada, and quickly became fascinated by computers and mathematics. From an early age, his curiosity and analytical mind set him apart. By 2011, he discovered Bitcoin and started writing for Bitcoin magazine. But as he delved deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies, he saw Bitcoin's limitation. It was powerful money, but not programmable. This realization sparked a question that would change the course of his life and the future of blockchain technology. He asked a bold question. What if blockchain could run code, not just transactions? This simple yet profound inquiry led Vitalik down a path of innovation that would ultimately result in the creation of Ethereum. In late 2013, at the tender age of 19, Vitalik wrote the Ethereum white paper, a blueprint for a blockchain that could support smart contracts and decentralized applications. This wasn't just an incremental improvement on existing technology, it was a paradigm shift. Instead of just moving money, Ethereum could move logic. The implications were staggering and the potential applications seemed limitless. The clarity and ambition of Vitalik's vision didn't go unnoticed. Developers from around the world were drawn to the project, captivated by the possibilities it presented. The Ethereum community began to form, bringing together some of the brightest minds in cryptography, computer science, and economics. This diverse group of talents would prove crucial in turning Vitalik's white paper into reality. To bring Ethereum to life, the team launched a crowd sale in 2014, selling Ether tokens for Bitcoin. This was a pivotal moment in the project's history, as it would determine whether there was enough interest and support to make Ethereum a reality. The response was overwhelming. It was one of the earliest and most successful token sales, raising over $18 million. This financial backing provided the resources needed to develop the platform and build the infrastructure that would support it. A year later, in July 2015, after countless hours of coding, testing, and refining, the Ethereum mainnet went live. This launch marked a new era in blockchain technology. Suddenly, anyone could build decentralized apps, from finance to gaming to art. The promise of Vitalik's original vision was becoming a reality, and the possibilities seemed endless. However, the journey of Ethereum wasn't without its challenges. In 2016, disaster struck. The DAO, the first big Ethereum project, was hacked, losing millions in Ether. This crisis threatened not just the future of Ethereum, but the very concept of decentralized autonomous organizations. The community faced a tough decision. Should they reverse the hack and fork the blockchain? This wasn't just a technical question, but a philosophical one that went to the heart of what blockchain technology represented. After intense debate and consideration, the community made a difficult choice. In the end, Ethereum split into two chains, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. The main Ethereum chain reversed the hack, while Ethereum Classic continued with the original unaltered blockchain. It was a defining moment that showed the risks and resilience of decentralization. This crisis and its resolution demonstrated that Ethereum was more than just a technology. It was a community capable of facing challenges and making hard decisions. Despite these setbacks, Ethereum continued to grow and evolve. It became the backbone of the decentralized world, supporting a vast ecosystem of applications and innovations. DeFi protocols emerged, allowing lending and trading without banks. This opened up financial services to people all over the world, regardless of their location or traditional banking status. NFTs turned digital art into billion-dollar markets, revolutionizing how we think about ownership and creativity in the digital age. DAOs reimagined how communities and organizations can govern themselves, offering new models for collective decision-making and resource allocation. All of this traces back to Vitalik's vision at 19. The young coder who once wrote Bitcoin articles had become the architect of a new digital landscape. Ethereum's impact extended far beyond the realm of cryptocurrencies, influencing fields as diverse as art, finance, governance, and social organization. So what can we learn from Vitalik's journey? 3 key lessons stand out. First, clarity matters. A well-written idea can attract global support. Vitalik's white paper wasn't just technically sound, it was accessible and compelling. It painted a picture of what was possible, inspiring others to join in and contribute to the vision. This underscores the importance of not just having good ideas, but being able to communicate them effectively. Second, community is power. Ethereum was not just Vitalik, but thousands who believed in the vision. While Vitalik's initial concept was crucial, it was the collective effort of developers, investors, and users that brought Ethereum to life and sustained it through challenges. This highlights the importance of building and nurturing a strong, engaged community around any project or innovation. Third, innovation requires risk. Setbacks like the DAO hack didn't end Ethereum. They made it stronger. The ability to face challenges, learn from them, and adapt is crucial in any groundbreaking endeavor. Ethereum's resilience in the face of technical and ethical challenges demonstrated the strength of its underlying principles and the commitment of its community. Vitalik's story proves that one idea, shared clearly, can inspire a new internet. From a curious teenager exploring Bitcoin to the creator of a platform that has reshaped our understanding of what's possible with blockchain technology, Vitalik Buterin's journey is a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and community. As we look to the future, the impact of Ethereum continues to grow and evolve. New applications and use cases emerge regularly, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of decentralized technology. The foundations laid by Vitalik and the Ethereum community have opened up a world of possibilities that we're only beginning to explore. If you found this story inspiring, subscribe to DCA Crypto for more deep dives into the people who shaped crypto. We'll continue to bring you insights into the innovators, visionaries, and sometimes controversial figures who are driving the blockchain revolution forward. And tell me in the comments, do you believe Ethereum will outgrow Bitcoin in the future? The debate between these two titans of the crypto world continues to rage, and your thoughts and predictions could spark some fascinating discussions. Whether you're bullish on Ethereum's programmability or convinced of Bitcoin's staying power as digital gold, we want to hear your perspective. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is constantly evolving. What seems impossible today might be commonplace tomorrow. Vitalik Buterin's story reminds us that with vision, dedication, and a supportive community, even the most ambitious ideas can become reality. So keep learning, stay curious, and who knows? The next world-changing idea in crypto might just come from you.